morning guys, this is BN Fat Biker. If this is your first time to tune in to my channel, please hit the subscribe button at pati na rin yung bell icon to continue to receive my weekly videos, tutorials, droning, etc. etc. Okay, just to share with you, few months ago, nagpa-install ako ng another globe at home naman. Okay, as you can see, I stayed here in Manila. So, nagpakabit ako ng another tong globe nga, postpaid. This is the plan 1,899. Okay, 20 MB. Okay, 20 MB plan on that one. So, sad to say, makikita nyo, laging nawawala yung DSL, nawawala yung internet. So useless. I'm paying in advance of 1,900, almost 1,900 monthly, and then I'm not satisfied with this one. Ang problema, it will affect the online schooling of my kids and my work because of this. So sad. Okay, so nag-check sila. Ang problema daw sa condo, okay, yung conduit. That means I need to replace the condo. So I will not do that. So I made an alternative or backup plan for this one to resolve this, so my kids will have a continue online schooling. So ngayon di na postpaid, I buy this one. Okay, they call it the Pldt home broadband Wi-Fi. Okay, I don't know what will be the performance of this one. Okay, but again, I selected the Wi-Fi. Okay, just as a backup plan. Okay, let's see. So join me in. Okay, let's unbox this one, the tutorial how to use this one, how to install this one, and most of all, let's see if it is really worth buying. Okay guys, so let's discuss about this Pldt broadband home Wi-Fi. So as you can see on the box pa lang, they said the country's fastest mobile data network. Okay, they have the speed test awards by Ookla. Let's see. Okay, let's see if it's really true. Okay, just to share with you, I think I bought this one around 1,499. Okay, pero may promo sale yata sila na 995 na lang sa PLDT. Okay, try to check it out kung totoo. Nakita ko lang sa ads while ago. Okay, today is October 25. So baka may promo sila. Okay, our first thing to do is unboxing. Okay, so let's start unboxing this little guy. Okay, let's do the unboxing of this Pldt mobile data network or the broadband home Wi-Fi prepaid. Okay, take note, this is a prepaid. Okay, let's start the unboxing. First is on the box. Okay, let's see the box sa labas. As you can see, this is a Pldt but powered by Smart LTE. Okay, so they received some awards. Okay, the fastest prepaid Wi-Fi. Let's see. At the back, there's some instruction where to load. Okay, and then how to load. Okay, some QR code that you need a particular mobile app. Okay, downloadable for your iPhone in Apple App Store and Google Play for all your Androids. Okay, let's open it up. And of course, some details of the IMEI numbers, serial numbers. Okay, nothing. All white box. Okay, as you can see, then sealed by Smart. Okay, there we go. Upon open, okay, you can see right away the Pldt home prepaid or broadband Wi-Fi. Okay, it's color white. Okay, powered by Smart LTE. Okay, as you can see, I believe this is the power on button, a power supply indicator, the strength of the Wi-Fi, the connection, how many are connected, maybe, and the signal strength of this gadget. Okay, connecting to the Pldt or Smart. Okay, the important thing here is support the power supply, the strength of the Wi-Fi, and the strength of your connectivity, okay, through the LTE. Okay, looking on this one at the back side, so makikita nyo is there are 2 available LAN ports here. Okay, LAN port. So 100%, this is just a ready or standby. If you would like to add more, okay, say what do you call this one, booster of the signal, or this one like the additional router, okay, to boost up, okay, to boost up the signal. Okay, and the power supply and the WPS reset. And as you can see, okay, take note this. So kapag binuksan nyo to, may SIM card lang nakasama, smart. But since naka-pre-cut na to, yung mismo SIM card nandito na sa loob. So pag deliver sa inyo, okay, nakasilyado na, yung SIM card nandito na. Makikita nyo, ayun na, may smart seal. So pag na-tamper to, mawawala yung warranty nito. Okay, and then sa bottom side, ito na yung mga Wi-Fi key, password, okay, default password, username. This is very important mamaya sa login or registering this particular Wi-Fi or this internet gadget, okay, later do sa computer, do sa apps nila especially. Okay, what are the other things? Okay, let's see. Siyempre nakita nyo na yung SIM card. Meron siyang warranty card. Okay, basic manual, how to install, how to use. Okay, everything are in English naman. Of course, the power supply, okay, the adapter. Ito siya sabi ko, if you need to do some boosting of your signal using additional or add-on router, okay, meron kang LAN cable. Okay, ready. That's it guys, LAN laman. So wala siyang housing LAN sa loob. Okay, let's start. So that's the content of this box. So guys, so we're going to power up this one and let's do the step by step, okay, how to connect and install this one. Okay, first is we will do the setting up your modem. Okay, this is your modem, your Wi-Fi modem. Okay, you need the power supply. Okay, and then from here, then there you go. Can you see? Can you see? Okay, there's a power everything for all the, okay, there's a power, the signal strength. Okay, take note guys, very important. Kung meron na kayo ganito at i-install nyo, make sure it is beside or near the window. Okay, yun ang pinaka-importante. Take note, this is a prepaid, wireless, so hindi siya postpaid na meron siyang mga dadaan sa mga conduit. Okay, place your this Wi-Fi or broadband Wi-Fi, okay, modem near your window. That's step number 1. Okay, so you can see mukhang super okay naman, malakas ang signal. Okay, pa isa-isa, pa dalaw-dalawa. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's the step number 1. So for our step number 2, okay, sinetap ko yung aking laptop, okay, because we will install it. As you can see, okay pa rin yung signal natin. So kailangan natin i-connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Okay, so kailangan yung SSID nandito. Okay, pati yung Wi-Fi key. Okay, so let's connect it. Okay, as you can see here, the instruction ng video. Okay, hanapin natin yon. So ito yung sinasabing default. Okay, at ang password niya ay may default password siya nakalagay, most standard na to, kaya kailangan palitan kagad para iwas hacking. Okay, ayan, so kita nyo nagko-connect siya, no? So yung sa bar, ito, yan siya, connected na daw siya. So Pldt home 88231. Okay, so now naka-connect na tayo dito. Okay, na-install na natin. Okay, that's the step number 2. Okay, the third rule or the third step is to immediately, okay, change your modem and Wi-Fi password. Okay, from your browser. Okay, as you can see here, go to Pldt home Wi-Fi settings.net. That's it. Okay, the PLDT home, and they will require your password. Okay, the password is, you will see here. Okay, your Wi-Fi password here. It's a default, the PLDT home. Okay, as you can see, okay, immediately change your password automatically. Okay, then you will see all the setup now. Okay, so there you go, guys. No, so we unboxed this PLDT home broadband prepaid Wi-Fi, itong modem nila, and then the step-by-step how to install and connect it. Okay, also including all those changing access, password, username, etc, etc. So what else you need to do? Okay, enjoy the fun, and let's observe and monitor together if this really works legit, and if it's really the country's fastest prepaid mobile data network. Okay, enjoy, guys, stay safe, and always stay happy. Let's get it on, guys.